What's up, guys? I'm back with another monthly update for you. This is the last one of 2020. This is December, and this month was not as good as last month, but it was another good month. I hit my usual average monthly payout that I usually do, so that was good. December can usually be a weird month because people aren't buying around the holidays, but I actually sold up until Christmas, but the week around Christmas, I did not sell anything, which was expected. But the beginning of the month was strong, so I did sell a lot this month. So I'm going to list everything out now. Volvo XC90 clock spring, $150 plus $10 shipping. Audi A4 trunk release handle, $75 plus $5 shipping. Range Rover headlight, $700 plus $25 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 instrument cluster, $100 plus $20 shipping. Volvo XC90 tailgate latch, $65 plus $10 shipping. Mercedes-Benz front emblem, $80 plus $5 shipping. Honda Pilot headlight, $150 plus $25 shipping. Acura RDX taillight, $50 plus $10 shipping. Volvo XC90 mirror, $40 plus $8 shipping. Audi S4 taillight, $100 plus $10 shipping. Volvo XC90 combination switch, $50 plus $10 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 cup holder, $60 plus $5 shipping. Mercedes-Benz CLS 550 B-pillar trim, $85 plus $10 shipping. Volvo XC90 seat controls, $35 plus $8 shipping. Volvo XC90 radio, $125 plus $15 shipping. That total is $1,865. There was $176 paid by the buyers for shipping. The actual cost of shipping was $180. $1,865 plus $176 shipping is $2,041 minus $180 for the actual shipping, and that is $1,861. There's 13% of eBay fees, which is $241. So with that subtracted, it is $1,620. That is a good average price that I usually do per month, so I'm very happy with that, especially in the month of December when usually things slow down because of Christmas. So I'm very happy to see that I was at least near my average. I sold 15 items in December, which comes out to $136 average item price. The one big item for the month was the Range Rover headlight for $700. If you guys have watched my other videos, you know that I've sent out a Range Rover headlight a couple months ago that was damaged in shipping. So I had that returned. So I was glad when this Range Rover headlight did not get damaged and the sale went through. So that was $700 for that, which is the highest price for this month. The initial investment on the Volvo XC90 parts car has not been paid off yet. So $465 from this month was from that car. So you can subtract that from the total and it brings me down to around $1,200. The good part is that with last month in November and this $465 of this month, that car is paid off now. I only bought it for $500. So now from this month going on, everything I sell from that car will be a profit. Once again, I'm happy with this month. It was another good month. If you guys are looking to get any parts, you guys can see what I'm selling and what I'm selling them for. So I'm glad you guys are following along. Let me know if you guys like these videos so I can keep them coming. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.